All right, so time for tabs. Tabs, we're going to do pretty much the same as we did with the cube. We're going to measure over 1/4 of an inch from a side. So we're going to pick a side of the triangle. I'm just going to do it on this side. I'm going to measure over 1/4 of an inch. I'm going to make a parallel line to this one. So I got to measure over, 1/2 an inch, measure over 1/2 an inch. The rule again is mark 2 arrows and scratch a line. So I'm going to go just like this. There's an arrow. And there's an arrow. Mark, line them up. Draw that line. Now we've got a whole bunch of lines going different directions here, so things can look crooked when they're actually not. But the second rule is always measure twice, so we only have to cut once. Looks pretty good. So I'm going to do this 3 more times. I'm going to do 1, skip, 2, skip, 3, skip, 4. Let's do that. Okay, so we've got our 4 tab lines marked. We're going to introduce something new. This is called a hem. So hems we use to strengthen, to hide an edge. You have them in your clothes, on the bottom of your pants, on your shirt. We've got a hem here where the fabric is folded over and sewn up. It gives us double the thickness, and we hide the edge so it won't fray. With steel, with metal, when we fold the edge over, we don't have this sharp edge. For example, here's a little metal tray. You can see we have hems here along this edge. It's folded it over, there's no sharp edge, and it also makes the metal quite a bit stronger. So we're going to mark hems. The hems are pretty much just like the tab, but skinnier. So on this side, we're going to measure over 1/4 of an inch and draw a line. Well, let's do that. So I'm going to go right there, 1/4, mark my first arrow. Down here, mark my second arrow. And scratch my line. So, same thing for the other 3. We're going to have 4 of these when we're done. So we're going to do that on all the other empty spaces. 1/4 of an inch. All right. There we go. Here's where it gets a little trickier.